one of the tutorials. So earlier tutorial, please get follow up because you will get a lot of background that how I am using Docker for the context of the Jenkins. So guys, here I have pulled up an image of Jenkins, and you can see in my terminal that I have been executing that image. I have pulled that image, as you can see, latest image. I have pulled it up, and then configuration take place. Okay, and all the configuration is taking place on my virtual machine. Okay, so this configuration is taking place, and after that I have been able to run my Jenkins, and this all is being done in a very fantastic way. As you can see under services tab in IntelliJ, that Jenkins image is being coming up. If you wanted to inspect, so we have a very beautiful tool right now where we can inspect the things. This shows that Jenkins is installed in my virtual machine. So I'm using Docker toolbox for Windows, where I have to separately install one virtual machine which take care of my all Docker images that is get stored in those virtual machines, and I'm parallelly executing my things on my Windows environment. Okay, so this is the Jenkins image, guys. You can see I can even push this image on Docker Hub, but on inspection you can see that it is being running. What I have created is the simple projects that earlier I used to have, and you can see this is just a very simple Spring Boot project, nothing fancy about it. It contains one main class. If you go and run it, it get executed out, and it prints certain output. So what this application doing is not a point of concern. Point of concern is that how we can make a customized build through Jenkins without not installing Jenkins on our local. We are just keeping Jenkins on the fly. Means I have gone to this Docker Hub, I have searched for some official image of Jenkins, I have pulled that image. This is the official image of Jenkins, and this gives me an instruction to pull it. I have smartly used pulled that image. Okay, and I am running Jenkins on my local without installing it. So this is something, the best part that I wanted to show you out, and here it is being proved that Jenkins is being running. So what I have done is that, guys, I have keep this project on GitHub, you can see. Okay, and let me show you out. I have just simply kept one file called Jenkins. I have right now keep 2 stages. Yeah, you can add one more stage of deployment, but for that you need to create some private repositories. I haven't created right now. I will be going to create it in my next series, and you can map out your private repositories here, maybe of Nexus or something. So this project is simply uploaded. I will be sharing my GitHub URL with you guys. So here you can see this Jenkins files has been the same here, and I have done very smartly thing that I have gone to Jenkins, and I have created one pipeline. So this is pipeline plugin that you have to go and you have to take care of. You can install pipeline plugins, so you will get these options where I am saying that take the source code from my this URL. It is taking up. You can configure many things, but this, for the simplicity, I am showing it out. If you want to have some polling for the build triggers, you can have it out here. And then I have seen these are my repository URLs. I have added my credentials here, and then I am saying okay, these are the things that you have to do. So these are the 4-5 options that come, but before that also make sure that inside manage Jenkins there comes a global tool configuration section where you have to make sure that you are using the Maven, because Spring Boot project that I am using, it consists of your pom.xml, so it's a Maven based driven, where I have seen this. You can see that I have using default global settings of Maven. JDK if you wanted to add, Get if you wanted to add, or Gradle, anything that you wanted to add, you can add it out here. Okay, so right now I have not been disturbing you. My intention is to that I am running this Jenkins. This Jenkins is being running as a Docker image, and this IP that you are seeing 192.168 is of my host machine. This is my host machine. This is the Oracle VirtualBox machine that I have been running up. So this is here, and I have, with the help of IntelliJ, I have pull the image which is get installed on my virtual machine, and this is the IP of the virtual machine. So let's go and let's check. One of the build I have make is of Spring Demo, which takes the source code from this view and it executes that build. Here you can see this is being getting executed, artifacts and are being there. I have gone and I have installed one plugin which is called over Blue Ocean plugin, and you can go and you can manage your plugins. Okay, let me show you out. There is a section called manage plugins. Since it is available, so I think it will not show me up, but still let me try it out because I have installed Blue Ocean. Okay, let me see if it is being installed in me. Okay, installed in my Jenkins, so it will never go for that, but let me search for you. But so here you can see it is showing you Blue Ocean plugin. So you have to get a lot of things for Blue Ocean, but make sure you have to select this one. Okay, and you will install it here also. But I have installed it for you because once you install your Jenkins, you will see a very rough way of your graph. But if you wanted to open it a very fancy way, you can install it on Jenkins, and this is the fancy way that you can go. And then it will come up with some of big pipelines for you, where it will show you that if it is in compile stage. So you can see there are the sections that is being coming up. It started downloading the project from my GitHub account. Okay, so in compile stage, two things have been done. First, the checkout, and then it tries to do the Maven clean install. Okay, best part about this, if you wanted to download this, you can download this log file, and it will show you all the activities that is in. So it's just a fancy way of seeing the things that it is being doing up. Okay, and then it comes to a testing stage. In testing stage, it is showing you what is this test case and 20 seconds it took to to test it out. It is showing you the test case that it has started executing. So this is one of the best way that is showing, and it is showing you that at the last the build is way. And if you still don't like, it shows you your brunch take 37 about an hour, started by Saral, and it shows you if it is not configured with this plugin, and it shows you that one of the test case is being passed right now. All test cases are passing. Nice one. Okay, artifacts right now it is showing you, pipeline log file it is showing you. And if you still don't like this plugin at all together, you can immediately click, or you can go and you can configure it, what is the strategy or descriptions that you wanted to have. And if you still don't like it, go to the old way of seeing it out. So here you got to the old way of looking out the things. So guys, this is one of the best plugin that I have encountered, Blue Ocean. Try it out. Intention is not to show you out the Blue Ocean plugin, the way that it's change your looks and feel. And another way is that you can simply start your Jenkins without even don't need to worry it on installing on local. Just go guys and pull that image. That is something fantastic for you, because I have been doing it out in this way. And if you go into my local, and if I try to show you that what are the images that is being running on my local, so you can see that Jenkins image is being configured on my local. So guys, try it out. Fantastic things and helps that is being provided by IntelliJ. All the port bindings, volume inspection has been given up, and I am able to successfully use Jenkins. So I really appreciate the same, that with a Docker image we can go and pull up these things. Thank you guys, thanks for watching my video. Do provide me your feedback. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.